So do you also use Facebook lead ads leads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send Discord channel messages for Facebook lead ads lead. So I run a real estate agency, and to promote my agency I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly my team should get a notification for the same on our Discord channel. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Discord channel using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send messages to Discord channel whenever you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads. This integration helps you instantly share lead details with your team, ensuring quick follow-ups and better collaboration. So no more manually checking for new leads, everything gets updated in real time. So stay connected and never miss a potential customer. So as you all know that I manage a real estate agency, and here on my screen you can see my Facebook page for the same with the name Prime Properties. And here I'm using Facebook lead ads to attract people interested in buying or renting properties. So when someone submits their details through an ad, I need my team to know right away so we can reach out before they lose interest. So instead of manually checking for new leads and notifying my team, I want to automate the entire process by sending a message to our Discord channel every time a new lead comes in. This way, my sales agents get an instant notification, allowing them to contact the lead, answer their questions, and schedule property visits without delay. It helps us to stay organized, respond faster, and close more deals efficiently. Okay, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Discord channel using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead for our Facebook lead ad using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here you can see it is asking me to select the page and the form. So here I've already selected my page and the form, and now here I'm going to click on this preview form. And here you can see my lead ad form, and here you can see I've already pre-filled the data over here with type of property you're interested in, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to submit this lead over here, then I want my team to get a notification on our Discord channel for the new lead received with all the lead details. So here let's check it. So I'm going to submit this lead details by clicking on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message over here in our Discord channel which says new real estate lead alert, name test lead, phone number, email as test@pabblytudes.com, interested property as rental property, and it says a new lead just came in from Facebook lead ads. Reach out as soon as possible to schedule a viewing and assist them with their property search. Let's close this deal. So this is the message that my team has received, and with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Discord channel using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see our Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send Discord channel messages for Facebook lead ads lead. And then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on the screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already showed you that I have my Facebook page with the name Prime Properties. So here in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my page which is named as Prime Properties. And now here after selecting my page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the forms that I've created for my use till now. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use my form which is named as lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting my page on the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here after clicking on the save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead for our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to generate the new lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead first. And then here I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in this lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Prime Properties. And my form, that is lead form new. And now here to generate the test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the type of property, I'm going to select residential property. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the first name as demo, last name as lead, email as demo@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. Here for the street address, I'm going to enter random street address. City as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh. Here for the zip code, I'm going to select the country first, that is India. And then here I'm going to enter the zip code. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to notify my team on our Discord channel for the same. So for that, I need to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Discord. So Discord is a free communication app designed for creating communities where people can chat via text, voice or video. So here in my Discord action step, I'm going to select my action event as send channel message mark down. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then instantly and automatically a notification alert message should be sent to our team on our Discord channel. And now here to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So it says enter your webhook URL, follow these steps to get the webhook URL from your Discord account. So here by clicking on this hyperlink, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to get a webhook URL from your Discord channel. So here we are going to follow all these steps. So for that, let me take you to my Discord account. So this is my Discord account, and here I've already created a server, and under server I've created a channel with the name new lead. So now here after creating a new channel, I'm going to click on this edit channel option given over here, and from here I'm going to select integrations, and here under integrations you can see we have received the option for webhook. So I'm going to select it, and here you can see an existing webhook URL. So here I'm going to create a new webhook for this automation. And here you can see we have successfully generated a new webhook. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. So this is my webhook URL, and now after entering the webhook URL, it is asking me to enter the message. So in this message field, I need to enter the message which I want to send to my team as a notification alert for the new Facebook lead received. So I'm going to enter the message as new real estate lead alert, name, phone number, email, interested property. A new lead just came in from Facebook lead ads. Reach out as soon as possible to schedule a viewing and assist them with their property search. Let's close this deal. So this is the message format, and here you can see I've used variables in the place of this name, phone number, email and interested property values. So now here I'm going to replace these variables from their values over here. So now here instead of entering the values manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the lead name. So for that, I'm going to select first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. And now here for the lead phone number, I'm going to map the lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Here for the email, I'm going to map the email. So this is my lead's email. Here for the interested property, I'm going to map the interested property. And with this, we have successfully entered the message over here. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the bot name and the bot icon. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add the bot name and the bot icon, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for text to speech. So for that, I'm going to select disable. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new message on our Discord channel for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check it. And I'm going to click on this escape, and here you can see we have successfully received a new alert message which says new real estate lead alert, name as demo lead, a random phone number, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, interested property as residential property. A new lead just came in from Facebook lead ads. Reach out as soon as possible to schedule a viewing and assist them with their property search. Let's close this deal. So this is the entire message, and with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Okay, so now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as Discord, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly our team is going to get a notification with all the lead details on our Discord channel. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send Discord channel messages for Facebook lead ads lead. I hope these steps were clear to you.
Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.